Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save jobs on the Bayt.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, find a job that you want to save and click on this star icon in the middle of the screen. There's the second option. If you want to check out your saved items, tap on this arrow in the upper left corner to go to the home page, and then click on applications, then slide to the right side until you find the save jobs section at the top. And here you're going to find all of the saved jobs in this section. If you want to remove any of these items, all you have to do is clicking on the star icon next to it, thereby removing it from your list. So click on yes, I'm sure, and it will be removed from your list. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.